morning, good afternoon, and good evening, traders from across the globe. Thank you for tuning in to my 2,242nd edition of Short-Term Trading Live with Oscar Carboni. Right off the bat, do I get to take a bow for that call in NASDAQ 2 days ago or what? I mean, seriously? With that head and shoulders call, I get to take a bow. How about that head and shoulders call 2 days ago in NASDAQ? Go OMNI, right? It's first thing on the board. Traders, this is a very risky game. We don't always win. You know that, right? We've been lucky. OMNI's been belting out winning trades. When we get filled, they've been winners. Thank you, OMNI. But it's a risky game. Put your stops in first. Never trade without them. You can easily get slaughtered financially in this game, trading options at ETFs, futures, anything at all. You know, when if your fingers can go click, 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 and you're in a position, that's risky. So, no matter what you trade, know that. Put your stops in first. Let's get moving. I guess we'll leave that alone for now. All right, so again, how about that call 2 days ago? That was based on technical analysis. So I'm going to give a round of applause to technical analysis because you can do what I did. All I did was read the charts, right? So analysis works well. The NASDAQ did break down pretty hard so far. And now that that's happened and it looks like the head and shoulders is working and we're in a frenzy on the downside and we're going to get ready to get short, right? Hold on a moment, kids. No, it dropped for a couple of days, but I am here to say, put the brakes on for one session, says the OMNI average and the Russell 2000. I need to show you those charts right away so you understand what this is about. Hey, welcome, OMNI campers. I've got 4 OMNI campers showing up this evening into Vegas. Welcome, gentlemen. Welcome, welcome. A special event. I had a family approach me and say, Oscar, we've got a specific date and we've got 4 of us. Would you train us in the OMNI? And I said, you call the date and we'll make it happen. It's this weekend, kids. Welcome, welcome. You're going to love what you learn from me this weekend at OMNI Camp. Speaking of OMNI Camp, there's one coming up April 29th. This one was unexpected, by the way. I didn't know I was doing one this weekend. But I don't mind doing it at all because I met these people and, boy, it looks like we're going to have so much fun. I think these next 4 days with this crew that's coming in, it's going to be like going to a great adventure or something and riding on the roller coaster rides. We're going to have a blast. Anyway, there is an OMNI Camp coming April 29th. If you don't mind, make sure you go to OMNIBootCamp.com and fill out OMNI Camp applications. I will call you back and see if you qualify to come out to the next OMNI Camp. Traders now, as I mentioned, NASDAQ dropped very nicely off the head and shoulders. The technical move, that worked, but put on the brakes for one day and let's listen to the market and see what it's going to tell us. With no further ado, let's go look at some charts. So traders, the NASDAQ, I showed you this chart a couple of evenings ago and I said, listen, my brand of analysis tells me left shoulder, head, right shoulder, drop down first, run up for the head test, no dice, didn't get through the head test, didn't get through the 50-ball moving average. Down should be the next move. This was my video 2 nights ago. Here's where we were, and this is what happened. How about that, huh? That is exactly what OMNI called for. A breakdown right from the 50. The head and shoulders formation is there. But, and you know what? We caught the first day. We didn't catch today. We didn't get short at the top. We got short up here on the first day. It was wonderful. We didn't catch this day. That's all right. We didn't get a fill. But I'm here to tell you, stop for a moment. Put the brakes on for a moment. Stop selling for one day, and here's why. Russell dropped down pretty dramatically as well, got through this low, took out this low, but then came right back, or equaled that low basically, came right back, got above this line, but the most important part about the whole thing is this. It stopped cold at my OMNI average and just popped all the way back up and settled right there. That tells me put the brakes on selling. That should tell you to put the brakes on selling. Come join me at livewithoscar.com. I'll see you in my live trading room.